Good morning everyone, my name is Aditi Sharma from Plus 2 Commerce B. This wall represents a powerful message. Say no to drugs, yes to life. As on one side, it shows that a negative influence like try it once or be cool. Through this, each one can be easily misled. And on the other side, it shows a right path, real friends that not force anyone and children that who do not force and with the courage and make your own decision. At a center, it is a fist representation of inner strength, the power to say no. This whole wall is decorated with the wooden planks which are used through the AC cardboards, and these are made with the 9 to 10 students and one guidance. So we prepare that. Thank you.
ऑनलाइन
आला बेटा बच्चे अलाउ
सर कुछ मेरी बात जैकब 3 साल में जो भी नाम है 6 साल